This is the brand new Niri and Noctalia Shell setup, and this is one of the best Linux desktop experiences available right now. In this video, I will show you step by step how to install Niri, a modern Wayland compositor along with Noctalia Shell, and customize everything from start to finish for the best possible experience. Now first, make sure you have a fresh installation of Fedora on your PC or laptop with either STDM or GDM configured as your display manager. In my case, I already have Fedora with the GNOME desktop installed running alongside Windows 11 on the same drive. Now this guide also works with other distributions such as Arch Linux, NixOS, and many others. Before installing Niri and Noctalia Shell, ensure that you have at least 10 GB of free space available on your system. The first thing to do after installing Fedora is to update your system. Now go ahead and open Terminal or Console and run this command to download and install the latest updates. Then install Timeshift, a backup tool that allows you to create snapshots of your system. This backup will be used if anything goes wrong after installing Niri and Noctalia Shell. Ensure you back up the entire root system and home directories. Then click Create to take a snapshot of the system current state. Now it's time to set up the Niri window manager with Noctalia Shell. Head over to this website and choose your Linux distribution. For Fedora systems, copy this repository and install it. Once it's done, run this command to install Noctalia Shell. Then go ahead and run this command to install Niri. Once the installation is complete, reboot your system for the changes to take effect. Once your system boots up, you can launch Niri directly from your login manager. Now simply click on the session icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This session selector allows you to switch between GNOME and Niri whenever you want. Now simply choose the Niri session and enter your password and login. After logging in, you will be greeted with the Niri shortcut guide. Take a few moments to go through these default shortcuts. They will help you learn how to open terminal, switch between workspaces, take screenshots, and perform other common tasks. You can always bring up this menu at any time by pressing Super plus Shift plus /. Now let's start configuring Niri with Noctalia Shell. Go ahead and press Super plus T to open the Alacrity terminal. The Super key is the Windows key on your keyboard. Since we installed Noctalia Shell, we have access to a powerful user interface that includes an application launcher, the top bar, quick settings, and much more. Now first, let's configure Noctalia Shell to launch automatically when Niri starts. Now go ahead and run this command to open the Niri configuration file. Then press Ctrl plus W and search for Vbar. Once you find it, comment out this line by adding a slashes at the beginning Now go ahead and add this line to start Noctalia Shell automatically during login. Next, let's create some custom application shortcuts. Let's search for binds in the configuration file. Now inside this section, you can define your own keyboard shortcuts. For example, let's create a shortcut for Firefox. Now simply specify the modifier key and the combination you want to use. Now in this case, pressing Super plus B will launch Firefox, and Super plus E will open the Nautilus file manager. I'm also going to replace Alacrity with Tixis as the default terminal emulator. And that's it. Save the file and exit. Now when you press Super plus B, Firefox will launch, and Super plus E, the file manager will open. The same way, you can create additional shortcuts for any application you want. Now once you're done, log out of Niri by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Then log back in. And there we go. You should now see Noctalia Shell running on top of Niri. You'll also be greeted by the welcome screen, which allows you to customize various aspects of your system, such as enabling light or dark mode. We will configure those settings later, but for now, let's skip the setup and continue. Now let's customize Niri and Noctalia Shell using the built-in system settings. Now just go ahead and click on the control center and open settings. Now from here, you can customize various parts of the user interface. For example, you can adjust the interface scaling to make everything larger or smaller on your screen. Under color schemes, you can enable dark mode, switch between different themes, and customize the appearance of the desktop. The bar settings allows you to change the position of the top bar, adjust its density, and tweak other layout options. And with desktop widgets, you can easily add useful widgets on your desktop. You can also configure the weather widget by choosing your region in the settings. In the wallpaper section, you can browse available wallpapers and set any of them as your default background. Overall, this is a clean and easy to use settings panel that provides all the essential customization options. Now by tapping on the top right corner of the screen, you can open the control center. The control center is divided into several sections. It features a dedicated media player for controlling audio playback, displays live weather information, and provides quick access to settings, wallpapers, power options, and much more. You will also find controls for adjusting brightness and volume, managing Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, and viewing notifications from a single place. The tapping on the top left corner of the screen opens the application launcher. The launcher displays all of your installed applications and lets you search for any application instantly. This is the fastest and easiest way to find and launch programs on your system. Now let's talk about Workspaces. Niri includes a workspace overview that makes it very easy to manage multiple applications and virtual desktops. Now simply press Super plus O to see all your workspaces and the applications. If you are using a laptop with a touchpad, you can use a 3-finger swipe gesture to the left or right to switch between windows. A 4-finger swipe will bring up the workspace overview, making navigation even faster. Now to switch between open applications, simply press Super plus Tab. Overall, Niri, combined with Noctalia Shell, takes your desktop experience to the another level. From the beautiful design and smooth animations to the efficient workflow, every part of the user interface feels polished and modern. And that's it for this video on installing and customizing Niri and Noctalia Shell on Fedora. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.